today we're gonna go quite a unique place. Are you excited?
Super. Vanlife travel can be amazing, but it's not always green mountains and beautiful lakes. Honestly, a lot of the time, it looks like this.
Guys, today unique place that we are gonna stay is a gas station for 24 hours.
If you're just joining us, I'm Lucy and this is Mark. In 2018, we left Korea and now we have explored over 50 countries in our tiny home on wheels, TV.
Today we drove on the M5 and we arrived at the second largest rest stop in the UK, Gloucester Service southbound. Now, camping at the gas station probably won't make anyone's top 10 list of things to do while here in the UK, but there are some good reasons why we chose this place, and I am going to tell you those reasons in a moment. But first, the not so great parts. Well, it is just a parking lot after all, and to make things worse, it's not free.
Guys, we know that like this place is 3 hours for free, but we are gonna stay 24 hours. So I'm gonna read some signs. It's right here. Until 3 hours is free, and 24 hours absolutely you have to pay. It's 23 pounds, and you can get the 5 pounds voucher, so you can use it at the food court or kitchen area. Look at this, guys. This is a gas station and it's quite packed right now. Imagine.
Now for the good parts. First off, it's actually much nicer than you might expect. It sits in the middle of the English countryside, surrounded by pretty farms and some scenic nature walks.
There is a picnic table, you can eat outside. I think we're gonna walk a little bit. It's quite nice, you know? You don't feel like you're just next to highway.
Being right next to the highway, it's easy to get to, and it has a dedicated parking area just for RVs and campervans.
Oh, it's really big, huh?
Inside you'll find a nice country market with a variety of locally sourced produce, and a good selection of British food is also on offer.
여기는 케이크고 여기는 홈메이드 스프. 빵도 파네? 이렇게 빵.
You'll also find a well-stocked supermarket with some unique items.
이거 뭐야? 빵이다. 고기. 고기가 뭐지? 색깔 봐. 다르다, 뭔지 약간 순대 색깔 같지 않아?
Venison salami.
티본 스테이크 아니야?
Yep, T-bone.
뭐 맛있는 거 많네. Korean books of happiness. How? I just found the Korean book of happiness. I'm Korean, so it's kind of weird to see some books about the Korean. I'm gonna tell Mark that I found the Korean book. He might need to learn something from it.
Those on the front window, right?
Okay, thank you. Guys, we got the ticket. It said the long stay, 24 hours, just placed in our windshield, so you know we paid it. It's 12 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's good.
Not bad.
I thought like we were gonna pay like 20 something one, because you know like I don't know how they're gonna categorize us, but I guess you know our car is small, because like a motorhome is a quite big area you have to park. You know our car is small. 이게 뭐라고? 커티지 아니냐 빅토리아 스펀지, right? So carrot cake. 캐럿 케이크 얼마만이야? 잘 먹겠습니다. 좀 맛있네. 뭐야? 색깔 무슨 일? 귀엽다.
It's always nice to try the local snacks, but for what you get, the food here is super expensive. So we decided to eat dinner in the van. That saved us a lot of money. The menu tonight? Some baby back ribs we picked up at Lidl, with a side of Lucy's famous homemade potato and egg salad.
왜 갑자기 어두워졌지? 우리 차가 지금 기울어졌잖아. 먹을까요? 일단 먼저?
Yeah, let's try it.
잘 먹겠습니다.
You good?
try the potato
Okay.
salad. Mmm,
진짜?
yum.
먹고 샤워하면 딱일 것 같은데?
Yeah. For full-time van lifers, taking a decent shower can be a challenge, but this place has some nice ones.
Okay guys, it's time for taking a shower. That place had a shower, so we are gonna do it, but we're gonna do as much as we pay, like 12 pounds. Okay, let's go.
Oh, they're both open. Either one. Okay, I give this to you. You want to take a shower here and I'll take a shower over there.
Okay. See you later. Guys, I'm gonna take a shower. We are family planning channel, so I'm not gonna show anything weird stuff. It sounds so weird. Anyways, I will meet you, clean Lucy, 10 or 15 minutes later. Alright.
Oh, it's for your hair?
좋아. 샤워 어땠어, 니는?
It's perfect.
Me too. It's really good.
Nice and hot.
그리고 시간 제한이 없으니까
Yeah.
천천히 샤워를 할 수 있어서 좋았다.
Unlike some other countries, rest stops here are pretty secure, so you can sleep in peace.
누가 계속 자는데 누가 앵글로 자는 거야. 이렇게 자는 거야. 어제
누가?
네가. 그래서 이렇게 막 이렇게 찍더라고. 그래서 하지 말래? 이렇게.
It's getting hot. I'm gonna turn on the fan.
잠을 못 잤어. 어젯밤에 테러 당했어. 누구한테. Oh, my shoes are still wet.
Really?
Yeah.
You get a coffee first?
Yeah.
Start?
라떼 먹자, 오랜만에.
Or in the cow pump? Let's see.
Quite busy over there, but
It's a quick kitchen.
oh here.
$150?
150, there you go, sir. Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much. Enjoy.
배달 왔습니다.
Thank you.
A granola yogurt cup.
Okay.
And we got the BAP.
Oh wow. 햄버거 같아.
It's got sausage and bacon. But it's got the kind of British bacon.
Oh, sour.
Sour? I thought it was gonna be sweet.
I thought it would be sweet, but sauce.
Yeah. Right?
That sausage is like breakfast sausage
Yeah.
flavor.
Mm.
그렇지 않아요?
You have this half? No, I'll have the sausage half. Perfect. Not bad.
아침 식사는 끝. 이제 가볼까요?
Yeah. Oh, we saw coffee.
커피를 링겔로 이렇게 막 쳤으면 좋겠다. TV crew, now we're packed up and we're gonna go to the place we can fill up the water, right? Right there. So we're gonna drive in and then fill up the water and leave this place. How was your stay?
Good.
Good,
Yeah,
right?
Not bad.
Okay, let's go.
Before you leave, you can top up with fuel. We skipped it because, well, you know, motorway gas is kind of a ripoff. But the water is free.
Okay. 됐다.
Yeah. I think so.
Oh no. 나온다. This one is done, and we're gonna fill up this water tank. Water check, mark, check, and lock him up. Okay guys, water check, mark check, TV check, Lucy check. So we stay in this gas station. It was really nice. It is actually right next to the M5 highway, but we didn't feel like we were sleeping right next to the road. It's quite natural, like area that you can walk on the kind of like a walking path, also like a lake pond area. We loved it. And they have the like little store that you can buy some stuff too. Anyways, it was perfect. So now we are gonna leave this place and head to where? Some place that we can unpack everything and organize it. So next time, next spot, we are gonna do major cleaning. Yeah, it will not be easy. But anyways, thank you for watching our videos. If you watched so far, click the like and leave the comment. It will give us a lot of power too. And like who join TV Crew membership and the Patreon, we are gonna put the name on it. And thank you for watching our video. See you next time. Bye bye. Ciao. Bye.